everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use air-conditioned seats in a Honda Odyssey van easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Once again, the topic of this video tutorial will be the following. I will be showing you and telling you specifically with some easy to follow instructions. I will be showing you and telling you about the following topic. I will be showing you and telling you how to use air-conditioned seats in a Honda Odyssey van easily. And this will be a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. So let's get right into this step-by-step tutorial for beginners, showing you how to use the air-conditioned seats feature in a Honda Odyssey van easily, just like the one I have right here. Okay, so you want to use your Honda Odyssey van's air-conditioned seats. I don't know all of the trim levels that have this, but this is how to do it easily, super easily, okay? So you can see right here, I have the Touring Edition, which I know came with the air-conditioned seats. I don't think all of them come with the air-conditioned seats, but honestly, it's a great feature. I don't use it all the time, but it's a great feature. So this is the heated seats feature right here, which I think is like present in basically all of the trims, if I remember correctly. And this is the air-conditioned seats feature over here. So you want to use your air-conditioned seats very, very easily. This is how you do it. You press the button once, it will activate the air-conditioned seats at full force. That's why there's 3 blue lights right there. You press it another time, it brings it down to a middle force, and you press it one more time, it brings it down to the lowest force. Press it again and it turns it off. So this button essentially will go between full force, medium, low force, and off. You can press this button to toggle them on and off, and also between each of the levels. Okay, I'll do it on the passenger side as well. The same thing goes with the passenger side as well. Now I will say the only thing about the air-conditioned seats, they're fantastic. They feel amazing when you're wearing shorts and stuff like that, but they are quite loud. So as you can hear right here, as you can hear, they're quite loud. When you turn both of them on, they're not super loud, but they're sort of louder than I had anticipated, okay? And they seem to be louder when someone's sitting in the seat, I think because the air is being blocked. I guess it's having to like put more force through, I guess. I'm not sure. But essentially, you can once again toggle them down and turn them off, and toggle them down and turn them off. And that is literally it with regards to the air conditioning seats feature in your Honda Odyssey van. So that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you and told you specifically how to use the air-conditioned seats feature in a Honda Odyssey van easily. I've shown you how to do it easily. And it has been a step-by-step tutorial for absolute beginners. And that's been it. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you can stay cool on those hot summer days using this feature. And yeah, that's basically, I just wanted to say that at the end. But that's it. Hopefully you actually enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.